Hey guys, today we'll be walking you through how to swap the door panel off of a 2012 Prius C. And this should apply to other years as well, I'll put those in the title. Let's get to it. So for this job, you're going to need a plastic trim tool, a small Phillips head screwdriver, a regular Phillips head screwdriver, and that should pretty much be it. First, screws right under this little panel. You just pop that out with a small flathead. Next up, we're going to take the trim tool, slide it under this little piece.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Seems to be best to start from the back in my case.
Unplug this connector here.
Where it's supposed to be pressing the button down, I just don't think it's pressing far enough, so I'm just going to try to give it an extra. Give it a little, very gentle. Yeah, I think that just cleared. Hold on. That just cleared. There it is. Okay, so if you're having trouble with this one, I don't know. I'm pretty sure me pushing on with the screwdriver here. This is where it's supposed to be pushing. Basically, the clip has a little piece on it that's supposed to be pulling back when you press, but it doesn't seem to be fully working, at least on this one. So I just pressed with a screwdriver, and that kind of took care of it. There's now two other screws under this window switch panel. We finally got lazy and pulled out the pulled out the drill. And that should be it for screws. Now it's just a matter of using a trim tool again to go around the edge. Cool. So there's a bunch of snaps around the outside. Once all those are off, it should just lift right up. Two little guys sit in there like this. You just pull them forward and then you lift straight up. They come out. Pull forward, lift straight up. Once those are disconnected, you can just take the door down. That's it to get the panel off. In order to put it back together, you've got to put these lock and handle pieces back in. So the white, and this is a little bit hard to show, you have to come really over this. The white one goes in the top piece. Basically, ball drops in and then goes across like that, snaps in there. Orange guy, or sorry, green guy, wow. Colorblind apparently. Slides in. And here it's pulling the actual door open there and clicking back and forth there, so we're good to go there. Next up, these kind of like lower on and then go down. So sometimes you gotta just hit them a little bit, but not too bad. You're gonna put these two screws in once you snap it down. You wanna make sure that the plastic pieces, or the plastic liner is lined up so you can actually see the holes. Sorry. Just go ahead and push the door on down. Snaps should all just go right back in place. And go ahead and take the two screws that came out of here, put them back in. Then just go ahead and grab your window switches. Take the plug. There we go. It just snaps right in, it's really easy. And then
Install backwards.
put it in backwards. Make sure the switch is all working. I snap her in.
Let's turn the car on for that.
Sounds great. Alright. And then just go ahead and give her a gentle push down.
Don't forget about your last screw.
One last screw.
And you put that little pop cover back on once you're done screwing it in. Yeah, this screw has its own little door.
That's a wrap. Hope this helped you out, and see you in the next one.